And when you step out there, every time you step out there, if you don't step out with that, you might not even, why are you stepping out like that? When you step out there, let me tell you something. When you up there, whoever pitching to you, whatever team, like when you walk out, there should be some like Mike Tyson like stuff going on. Because you got that thing in your eye, right? Mike Tyson, y'all don't remember Mike, but when Mike was in his prime, when Mike would look at you, that was it. The fight was over. To me, you ain't showed up yet. See, this is why I'm telling you to show up, because I know something about us. When we show up, like for real, when we go to class, every single class, because you're paying for it. When you get your books, and I don't want to hear no garbage about you can't afford your books when you got a cell phone. You walking around with an iPhone saying you can't afford your books. You wearing J's when you say you can't afford books. You got your priorities all mixed up. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Better is a book than a well-built house. Why? Because
the dark is too hard to beat, and
you gonna get up, you gonna get dressed, you gonna get out, and you gonna do what you've been called to do. I'm telling you, when you going through pain, I know what you feeling. I know exactly, because I've been there, I've done that, but you gotta work through it. And if you work through your pain, on the other side is a reward. Listen to me, your pain ain't permanent. Your pain ain't permanent. You can get through this. You bigger than your pain. You better than that. You gonna be what you call me. You gonna have, and you gonna prove to everybody that tried to break you. You gonna prove them wrong. Everybody that tried to stop you, everybody that tried to kill your dream, you gonna prove all of them wrong. I didn't get to where I wanted to be. I'm finally where I wanted to be, but I had to go through some pain to get there. I used the pain to push me to greatness. I used the pain to push me to greatness. And I'm telling you right now, don't give up. I'm telling you right now, don't give in.
I'm not sleeping now. The dark is too hard to beat, and I'm not giving up the strength I need to push.
Pain is temporary. I didn't get here. I didn't get to where I am today. I didn't get here because, I'm just deep, or because just good things happen to me. I'm going to tell y'all the truth. There was a time in my life, right, and I stayed in my room. I was listening to my music. I prayed like I never prayed before. I spent more time with God. I had pain going through. I felt sabotaged. Are you hearing what I'm saying? There were some people who I felt they were out to get me. Are you hearing what I'm saying? They wanted me gone. You talk about haters. Haters. And I went through this for a whole year. Are you hearing what I'm saying? I'm talking about sabotage. I'm talking about pain. I used the pain to push me to greatness. I used the pain to push me to greatness. But I realized when I look back at it all, what God was telling me is, you stuck on good, son.
I'm not sleeping now. The dark is too hard to beat, and I'm not giving up the strength I need to push me.
Pain is not permanent. That's why I wake up every morning at 2 o'clock, 2:30. Because I got my mama counting on me. I got my sister counting on me. I got my son and my daughter counting on me. I got a world that gets up every morning and watches me. I got little kids who don't believe that they can do it. When they saw me, they thought now they can do it. So I get up every morning at 2:30, 3 o'clock. Why? Because greatness is upon me. Dr. King is dead. Malcolm X is dead. I'm that new guy. I'm that new inspiration. I'm the guy you look at when your daddy ain't in your life, when your daddy in prison. I'm that guy that comes to your high school and tell you, you can make it happen. Greatness is upon you. You better act like it.
Maestro Music.